Hi everyone, Roshni this side from Bangalore. So today all casual wear collections. So kindly join me quickly for all the collections. We have kurtas, we have full suits and few gowns also we have today. So please join me fast and just give me some, that everything is clear. My voice is audible and picture quality is clear so that we can start today's live. And as I mentioned, all casual wear. So many people have asked casual wear. So today only casual wear we have, and kurta, suits, anarkali, of course, all the collections we have. So kindly join me fast and just comment on that to see. Yeah. So hi Preeti ji, hi Shweta. Hi everyone. So thank you for watching me. Thank you for joining my live. And it's really great when people join us and comment a lot of things. Okay, I'm good, of course. And Pooja, Rashmi, hi everyone. Thank you, Seemaji. Thank you so much. And so I'll just start quickly all the collections today, and the numbers we already pinned here for WhatsApp. Now my both the numbers are active. You can always WhatsApp them. And now we have started reselling also. But yes, I'll just make one video on that, how to do reselling. So it will be very easy for you to understand, and then you can join us in reselling group also. So a lot of people, a lot of ladies who are sitting at home and who wants to do something, so for them we do have reselling. So now, so okay, everything is clear. Sonia, thank you so much for writing us. I'll start today's collections, all casual wear as I have mentioned. So the first one we have in chikankari. So this is one of our very pretty outfit. You can see here, and this is a completely chikankari mein little embroidery is there. White is in trend. A lot of people are asking me white also. So this we have 36 onwards. So we have 36 to 42 size, and the price is only 1095. So the back is also chikankari. So this complete chikankari with different embroidery. So it's give you a very subtle look. So 1095 is the price, and this is also muslin mein. This is a very subtle muslin. As per the age, you can just carry this, and this little slight embroidery is there. 1195, and we have 36 onwards up to 44 size. So it's a yellow color. A lot of people ask yellow also. So it's a little light shade of yellow. So now the next ones are in chanderi. So these are chanderi, but these are with lining. So these are all chanderi mein, all pastel shades with lining, and you can see the work. In fact, the sleeves maybe we have lining. So हर जगह lining है, sleeves में भी lining है, even kurta में भी lining है. So these are all in chanderi, and the colors are very very pretty. So this is only 1195, and we have 36 onwards. So we have 36 to 44 size, and 3 colors, all are light shades.
Where is your boutique in Bangalore?
So Bangalore mein the main store is in Indranagar, and we do have almost 5 franchise in Bangalore. So all the numbers are given. So we have in Belandu, we have in Whitefield, Sajapur, so Electronic City, we have in Hebbal. So most of the cities, places we cover in Bangalore.
Suma Genu Stars.
Thank you so much for the stars, Shoma, right? Suma ji, thank you so much for the stars. And yesterday's videos, which one?
Plus size.
Plus size is not available. So plus size videos are different, but these are all normal size up to 44 or 46. This is one of our hot selling muslin kurta. So people loved it, and both the colors are ready. This is only 1195, and we have 38 to 46 size. So the kurta is very smart. Muslin, basically, muslin people prefer because the color will not bleed, and it's give you the same look after so many washes also. So people like muslin. Now winter is there, so you can aram se carry muslin. In fact, summer maybe people carry muslin, so there is no problem on that. So this is 1195, 38 to 46 size, only muslin kurta. So the next one is also hot selling. This earlier we have launched grey color. So this yellow is also very hot selling. So this is also ready, and this is 1250, and we have 38 to 46 size. So this is also in muslin. Trust me, once you wear muslin, you will keep on wearing muslin only.
Sneh and Himani Stars.
Thank you so much, Sneh and Himani ji, for sending us star, and thank you for the hearts also. And this is gota work, so complete muslin mein gota work look. You can pair it with the straight pants. So we have red color straight pants. We have stretchable also, so you can just see and just pair it up with the straight pants.
What 46 fits for 8 months pregnant woman.
46, of course, you know, if your size is 42 and if you are pregnant, of course 46 can fit you. And these are one of my favorite. These are also in muslin, and of course this is very fast moving. So these two colors are very pretty. Both the colors are nice. You can just see whatever colors you don't have in your wardrobe. And basically this is a Rama green color, and this is a lavender. This is a little Rani pink kind of, but this both the colors are very pretty. So this is only 11.95, and we have 38 onwards up to 46 size. So muslins anytime, you know, you can just have 4-5 collections of kurtas also.
Chanderi kurtis.
Sorry, Chanderi. They want to see once again. Okay, so Chanderi people want to see once again. So I'm gonna show you the Chanderi ones. So we have 3 colors Chanderi with lining. It's a different one. You can try it. 11.95, and the sizes we have 36 onwards. So 36 to 44 size. So the next one, what we have again muslin, and this is a full suit. So this is muslin kurta with the bottom. So this is how it looks, and the color is also very different. The price is 1795, and we have 38 onwards, so 38 to 46 size. So this is a muslin kurta with bottom, and we do have another print also. So muslin, I'm going to show you 2-3 now. This is a very different color. This is basically a chocolate brown color. So rarely it's available now brown color, but yeah, this is the chocolate brown color. And we do have pants also. So this is a full suit. It's a kurta with the pant, and the price for this is 1595, and as we have 38 onwards up to 46 size. So these are all muslin kurta with the bottom. We do have kurta bottom with dupatta. So people who are looking for with dupatta muslin, this is a very smart piece actually. You can see the dupatta. This is a muslin dupatta. So you know, rarely you have muslin kurta with dupatta, but this is with dupatta muslin. And this is a muslin kurta, again a muslin pant. So this is a full suit. This is the first time we are launching muslin with dupatta. So this is with dupatta suits, and the price is 2095, 38 to 46 size. This looks like little ikkat also. So you know, traditional also, and for office may or anytime, any age people also can carry this.
Nisha Sharma stars.
Nisha ji, thank you so much for the stars. People keep on sending the stars. So thanks all of you. And you know, yesterday videos, maybe some people have sent stars. Thank you for them also.
All are available in website.
Yes, all are available in WhatsApp website. May people can order in WhatsApp. People can order to my franchisee also. So anywhere you can just order. And then the next one is with the sharara. So now upcoming mein sharara is gonna be very in. So this is a cotton mein sharara. It's a blue color, and the sharara is also very nice. So this is the sharara, and the color is of course indigo blue. Most of the people love indigo blue. So this is the cotton sharara, 1695, 38 to 46 size. So I'll show you the sharara once again. So this is a little gota work and also 38 to 46 size, and the price is 1695. It's a full suit with the gota work here. Little embroidery is also there gota mein. So this is a sharara with the kurta. So now I'm going to show you sharara with dupatta. So
Shipping to UK, please let me know.
okay, so shipping also we do international. For international orders, you can WhatsApp us at 8310498083. So we'll guide you how to do internationals and everything. So now next one is also with the sharara, and the dupatta is also very pretty. So this is the orange color dupatta, and this is a kurta here, and this is a sharara. So the color combination is very nice. This is also kurta with the sharara, and the price for this is 2095, and we do have 38 to 46 size. So this is the entire look of it. Cotton mix. So this is basically in cotton only. So this is a cotton sharara.
No COD.
Cash on delivery we really don't have. So this was the piece. Yesterday I wore it and people loved it. So please do share the link, live also, and do share the reels what we have shared. This one people are gonna love it. And next week we are launching straight cut also. So people who don't wear shararas and all, they can always go with a straight cut. And this is a one which embroidery is very subtle, and this kind of sharara we have here with the chiffon dupatta. So we have a chiffon dupatta with this. So this is a very different color basically, and people should have this color in their wardrobe. So you must buy this piece, and trust me, you're gonna love the color. At least everyone will gonna ask you once at least for this color. So and of course this is one of my favorites. So this colors will make you more beautiful, and the price for this is only 2095. In the sizes we have 38 onwards up to 46. So people who don't like the sharara, we are making straight cut also on that, straight pants also, but yes, it's gonna be ready next week. So this is a look of it sharara ke saath, and of course it's very pretty. 2095, 38 to
Have
46.
any margin in suits?
No, casual wear में we really don't have margin. Party wears में we do have margin. So casual wear में there is no margin at all, because it has to fit in your body, right? And the work is also very, very subtle. You can see the work. It's a very subtle one, and once you have this piece, you're gonna remember me for that for sure. So chiffon dupatta, but yes, this is not too big. The dupatta will come on the neck itself, and it will be little shorter. And even the sharara is also, so these are not too long sharara, but yes, it's give you a very smart look definitely.
Yesterday, Miss Preeta visited Indranagar store and she bought 48 collections.
Okay.
She loved it and she
Thank
wants
you.
much more to be added.
Thank you so much, Preeta ji, and trust me, the way people are loving me because of plus sizes, I already promised is I'm gonna working on that more, and party wears also we are gonna launch it very soon, and you're gonna love it for sure. So all the plus sizes people.
Ordering process through WhatsApp, please share.
Ordering process through WhatsApp, we already have 2 numbers, and we'll share the link also. So now we have started taking order of WhatsApp maybe. So last 1 month we were not too active in WhatsApp, but now yes, you can always order in WhatsApp also. And all my franchisee, they also take orders in WhatsApp, so you can just coordinate anyone. All the numbers I have given, you can just WhatsApp anyone. And this is cotton made, so because chiffon dupatta a lot of people loved, and this is the color combination is very nice. Little embroidery here, it's a very subtle one, and you can see here we have a cotton pants also. It's a printed pants with the chiffon dupatta, so completely work chiffon dupatta. So the price for this is 2095, and we do have 38 onwards, so 38 to 44 size we have in this.
Please share international number.
इंटरनेशनल फॉर ऑर्डर, इंटरनेशनल ऑर्डर्स के लिए आप व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं 8310498083. So that's a number for international, and for franchisee related you can always WhatsApp 9341094058. And reselling also we started, and retail of course the numbers I have given here. So this is a cotton में very different color. You can see the dark blue, royal blue में, and the dupatta is also very nice. This is a cotton dupatta, and here the work is also there, and we have a cotton pants with this. So this is a cotton pants, complete suits we have. So this is a complete suits. The price is 1795, 38 to 46. So these are all retail rates. People who want to work, they can start it in the wholesale rate. So wholesale rates are always different, but retail all over India we have a fixed rate, and my franchisee also eligible to wholesale. You can just contact them also. So this is 1795. It's a full suits cotton में.
Ankita Agarwal stars.
Ankita Agarwal ji, thank you so much for the stars, and people can send me stars. I can just take their name and I can just give all the love towards them. And this is a very different fabric, and this is a very different color also. So it's a chiffon dupatta. The work is very different. In fact, the sleeves maybe we have a work here, and this is little chanderi made with lining, and we have a straight pants. So this is a white straight pants with the chiffon dupatta. Sleeves maybe embroidery is there. So this is 2095, and we have 36 onwards. So this is 36 to 44 size. This kind of work is there in that. This is one of my favorite color, and this is little Kashmiri work, So we have 1 or 2 outfit which little Kashmiri work we have tried. It's a new work, so you can see the work here. So this work is also very nice. The color is nice. In fact, entire dupatta mein you can see here we have a little print also and the work also. So both is there. It's a full suits. It's a pink color made out. It's a fuchsia pink, and this kind of pant is there. So this is a full set basically. The price is same 2095, 36 onwards. So 36 to 44 size we have in this.
White वाला देखना.
So white chicken curry, you want to see again, I'm going to show you the white chicken curry. So this is a chicken curry kurta which is in white color, only kurta, 1095 36 to 42. Can I have a chicken curry pant white? So I'm going to show you a chicken curry pant also which goes very well with this, and you know that also we have free size, so people 36 onwards to 42 people, it can fit to anyone. So that chicken curry pant people generally pair it up with chicken curry kurtas or normal kurtas also, and this we have 36 onwards, so 36 to 42 size, and the price is 1095. So I'm just gonna show you the chicken curry pant bottle. Yeah, so this is a chicken curry pant, you can see here, this is only 695, so you can just pair it up with this and it can give you a little heavy look, so you can go for it. And this is one size, it's a free size.
Archana stars.
Archana ji, thank you so much for sending us stars.
46 size and chicken curry pants.
Chicken curry pants, right now we don't have plus sizes, so it's only free size which fits for up to XL size. This is also in Chanderi, but these are all very soft Chanderi, 2295, 36 to 44 size. You can see the colors because people for office and all, they are looking for different colors. So these are all different colors you can try for your wardrobe. And with the chiffon dupatta, and in the dupatta also we have a border like this. So little different borders and different look. So this is a full suit basically and different color. So we love it of course. So 2295. 36 to 44 size is the size for this. So now the next one also we have different color. So this is in Chanderi, little heavy one. So you can see the look of it, and a chiffon dupatta. So we have a gota work here. So complete gota work chiffon dupatta with the pant, and this is a full suit. The price for this is 2695, and we have 38 to 44 size. And we have two colors in this, so both the colors are very new. You can try it with the gota chiffon dupatta. So this is a look of it.
Any other color in
Chicken curry, we have wine also. Just show the wine also. So white ke saath we have wine also. You can order any colors on that. So we have wine color also in the kurta. Yes. So this is the wine color, and two kurtas we have 1095 this one, 36 to 42 size. So this color also very nice. I'll show the white also again. So white and white, so you can go for any colors, but both the colors are very pretty, trust me. So thank you so much for the star, Madhuji. Thank you so much for the stars. And these two colors are also very nice. You can just see whatever colors you don't have. 1095, 36 to 42 size.
winter wears?
Winter wears we really don't make. So now I'm going to show you the gown, and the gowns are also very nice, and this is the look of the gown. So this is the shaded knee and completely gown look. So we have two colors in this. So this is a yellow color. So both the colors are very pretty, trust me. And this is cotton made, so you just don't need any leggings or anything. You can just wear it like that. And the price is also very reasonable. This is only 1595. And the size we have in 38 to 44 size. So this we have 38 to 44 size, and the work is also very subtle. So this is basically a lurex fabric with a little work here. So there is a pearl work here, you can see here. And the fabric also little sinews there. So this is the entire look of the gown. Shaded me pink and yellow, two colors we have. So that's all for today. I hope you liked it.
Stars.
RTG, thank you so much for the stars. And this is all for you guys, casuals and everything. Okay, wine is awesome. Thank you, Geeta ji. You can choose white or wine, whatever you like. Both the colors we have, you can just go as per your this thing. Meeru Sharma, thank you so much for artificial stars. Okay, white kurti mein 40 bhi available hai. All the sizes right now we have, you can order it. And okay, Delhi mein सेक्टर 7 कहीं भी आपको मिल सकता है. यू कैन आस्क फॉर आवर दिल्ली फ्रेंचाइजी ऑल्सो, वहाँ से भी आप ले सकते हैं, वेबसाइट से भी ले सकते हैं, वेयर एवर यू फील कंफर्टेबल. Okay, Noori, thank you so much for calling me down to earth. But yes, I think all the women are like that only. So I'm not nothing great or special. Okay, Okay, for the size, please try your kurta's chest line. As I keep on mentioning, don't go with the XL, M or like that, because all the brand have different size tag. So please go as per your kurta which fits you. Just check the chest line of the kurta and then you order it. So whether it's a website, whether it's WhatsApp, so please check and orders. Winter collections, we really don't make winter wear, so we are only in casuals or party wears. So if you have marriage also, we have party wears also. So okay, thank you so much for calling Mamta ji, beautiful collection. Okay, cash on delivery we really don't have. We can work it out on that, but right now we really don't have cash on delivery. And thank you guys, thanks for joining me, thanks for all your love what you guys are giving us. But kindly follow us in YouTube also. So we do have a page in YouTube, we do have a page on LinkedIn. So LinkedIn, maybe we post all our struggles, all what we have done it. So please follow that also. So all the links are there. So follow us in LinkedIn, follow us in Instagram, follow us in YouTube also. Thank you so much. Bye bye, love you.